Find out the reason the cryptocurrency market collapsed. In recent days, the cryptocurrency market has entered a time of panic more than ever. Bitcoin price fell deeply, leading to strong altcoin dumps. The Fear and Greed Index bottomed out since March 2020, showing panic sell sentiment around the world. There are many reasons given to explain the deep drop, going underground this time. However, all the reasons are just to legitimize the Bitcoin dump, not really explain why the price dropped so sharply. The most likely cause is that the FUDs are spreading, causing F0 investors, newbies, to panic, leading to a chain effect of mass selling in the market. Some people panic, sell off, prices fall, others panic, sell off, prices fall deeper, and the cycle goes on and on. When we are worried, scared, just a negative-looking news can add to the anxiety in our hearts. In normal times, we can calmly analyze that it's just FUD, a PHA key. But when the mind is not stable, just a small stone can make the whole lake wave. If the market goes down, it will also fall. Everyone has lost money from a little to a lot in the past gloomy days. Everyone used to panic and then buy the top and sell the bottom. After balancing the sentiment, let's calmly find out what has happened in the market in recent days. What happened? FUD coming again, China bans crypto. By appointment again, FUD China banned blah 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 again swept all the fronts at the time when the market was booming. Like the 2017 bull run, it also encountered the Chinese stone banning ICOs and the ban on Bitcoin exchanges, making investors miserable. By 2021, even though the market is far from the 2017 lake, China will ban financial companies from dealing with cryptocurrencies. But what is the truth? According to Reuters news agency, China's three financial self-regulatory associations, the National Internet Finance Association, the Banks Association of China and the China Payment Processors Association, on May 18, simultaneously issued an announcement. The notice requires financial institutions, including banks and payment processors, not to offer crypto-related transactions, including registration, transactions, and payments. However, these are only three self-regulatory associations operating under the supervision of the Central Bank of China and the China Securities Regulatory Commission. They are not actual financial regulators, but are responsible for ensuring that member institutions comply with Chinese laws. Evaluate this is just a new FUD that was timed to be stuffed into the market after the recent wave of bad news. China has long been extremely strict with crypto investment, although it has not outright banned people from participating in this field. FUD from the future, US taxing crypto. In a report published May 20 regarding President Joe Biden's American Family Plan tax proposals, the Treasury Department took aim at digital assets by suggesting businesses include banks, payment providers, and cryptocurrency exchanges report more information on customer inflows and outflows of over $10,000 from accounts starting in 2023. Currently, the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) does not have an independent verifier of such transactions, potentially resulting in a growing disparity in the difference between tax owed and tax paid. Evaluate this is not really bad news and is far-fetched. Taxing cryptocurrencies is essential if crypto is to be recognized as a new investment asset class. It also makes sense for US officials to recommend that cryptocurrency transactions over $10,000 be reported to the European IRS, even though this is just a proposal and would not be implemented until 2023 if approved. The project on BSC has a series of problems. On May 19, the bad guys took advantage of Venus, XVS, to make a profit of $200 million US. This explosion pushed the price of XVS down sharply and invisibly dragged the entire BSC ecosystem into disarray. Just one day later, Pancake Bunny was attacked by flash loans. $10 billion US worth of tokens were printed indiscriminately. Immediately after the information about the attack was spread, the price of Bunny fell from more than $146 US to only $9 US and 80 cents, equivalent to a decrease of more than 95% of the value. Evaluate these incidents are not rare and are almost inevitable in the market. But as analyzed in the previous part of the article, when the mind is not stable, even a small stone can make the whole lake surface. The incident of BSC happened at the right time, like adding fuel to the burning fire to panic spread throughout the market. What's next? Ethereum gas fees increase sharply as a corollary when many traders rush to sell off or increase positions to protect assets. ETH gas fees skyrocket. As mentioned in the article, Ethereum fees skyrocket as traders race to save leveraged positions. At the peak, users had to pay more than 2,000 GWEI to make transactions, on average 1,500 to 1,700 GWEI. Such high fees make some investors unable to pay the fees to transactions, fail to continue to fear and spread that fear to the community. Major exchanges shut down, along with the skyrocketing gas fees on the Ethereum network. The number of visits to exchanges has also exploded. Such a flood of visitors makes many platforms unable to respond. And since then, stuck is an inevitable consequence. Even, Binance has temporarily suspended leveraged tokens on the exchange such as BNBUP, BNBDOWN, BTCUP, etc. to prevent panic-stricken users from overtrading. And what is the truth? In fact, every explanation is only intended to legitimize what happened in the market. Bitcoin has fallen, people who have lost money, it is an indisputable fact. But at the bottom of the iceberg, Bitcoin whales are rejoicing at the massive sell-off of BTC in the market. No wonder MicroStrategy continued to buy the bottom, for another $10 million United States dollars in Bitcoin, and at Genius, whales sold the top and bought the bottom of 3,000 BTC. Not only institutional investors, experienced holders buy Bitcoin before panic selling. To summarize is, who FUD is FUD, who is afraid to sell? Whoever buys it, buy it. Legal, SEC Chairman Gensler, we are ready to enforce crypto regulations. This shows that in the future there will be more regulations on crypto, such as taxation, account declaration or classification of crypto as a security or a commodity, etc. Such information is inevitable when the US enforces it. Crypto regulation, not FUD and not bad. Therefore, the community needs to be alert to such disguised warnings. In terms of price analysis, here are the next BTC prices to watch as Bitcoin is still hovering around the $40,000 threshold. These milestones need to be closely monitored to take timely action while the market is still stormy, as it is today.